Hello, it's Umarav Racing. In this video I wanted to show you that I got new wheels and tires for the winter. If you've seen my previous videos about my Mustang, I have gotten winter wheels and tires for the Mustang. Even though I live in Northern Virginia, it doesn't get crazy in the winter. It still gets icy, cold, and rainy, especially in a sports car that comes with summer tires. I like to have winter wheels and tires. It just makes it easier, safer. These are the wheels. The wheels are Drag DR31, 18x8, and the tires are Blizzak, Bridgestone Blizzak WS90. Specs are 225, 45, 18. The factory tires are 235, 35, 19, and the wheels are 19x8. So I went one size down, and I also went with narrower tires. As you know, narrower tires are slightly better. It can cut through the snow much better. I'm going to be installing them on the car now, so I jacked up the car. I just want to make sure everything fits well. These wheels did come with specific hubs to go over so that it fits snug over the wheel hub. Hub rings are unfortunately in another wheels box. It's not in this one, so I just want to put this on, just screw the lug nuts and make sure it fits, make sure I can turn the steering wheel. So I have mounted the wheels. They turn fine. There's enough clearance when I turn so it doesn't rub. Kind of worried just in case because I got the 245. A lot of the people who get winter tires with these wheels, they will get 225 40s instead of 45. The 45 gives a little bit higher sidewall. I want it a little bit higher sidewall so that it matches kind of a little bit closer to the diameter of the stock wheel. I think I'm slightly over the diameter, and also this will give a better ride in the winter with the extra sidewall. So here it goes. This is how the tires and the wheels look like. Makes my car look like an off-road car, like an off-road rally car. Here's how the stock summer tires look like. This is the winters. Yeah, so far I'm very happy with the look of the tires. They do stick out a little bit if you look, so I'll have to be careful parallel parking to not curb the wheels. Even though these are supposedly winter wheels and tires, I still want to make sure that they look good over long term. Since they're 18x8s, I could even use these as possible track wheels. These wheels are also like multi-bolt pattern. If any of you know how to kind of plug these out so they don't look so holy, let me know. I'm gonna be googling around and looking around. I'll probably email Drag as well, asking them if they have a solution for this, so that I don't see that wheel hub through the holes. Plus gonna have water, salt, and different things go in there. We'll try to avoid that. So yeah, so far this is how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. I will be replacing all of these probably end of November. I have a track day at VIR on November, I think 17th. After that, I'll probably winter prep the car, seal it, and put these wheels on. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.